Alright, welcome to today's video on working on the mail truck. I'm doing rear suspension. I did the 4 links before and did a bunch of stuff, and guess what? Didn't work. So I'm redoing it. I got some new brackets that I'll put right here that I fabbed up. They'll come back to these arms in the back, and it'll all work. I hope this time. I'm going to get my time lapse set up so that you can watch me go super fast and bounce around out here while I do my job. So hope you enjoy. See how this goes.
So this is me building the trailing arms, I think I'll call them. I got some bushings for it, 1/4 inch thick to 2x3 rectangle tubing. So what I'm doing is making sure my bushing stuff fits inside of it. Pipe, I don't know what it's called. But this is me fabbing it all up, proving that I do things. Not very good, but I do it anyway. And I just start putting the bushings together, getting it all fixed, tack them in place, tear it all apart, weld it all in. But that's how I built these. Once I got them all done, boom. I got going over here. Now, I did buy a camera, and it was a piece of junk, so I got rid of that camera, but that's where this footage comes from. So I lost a lot of good footage because the camera just stopped working because it got hot. Dumb. So you can see the trailing arms. I put those new brackets on like I said. They're like a leaf spring looking one. That's where I robbed the idea from. You can see I've notched the frame out. I'm using a bolt now to hold it to the height I think it should roughly ride at. But I just wanted to see how it all looks, see how it all fits. Boom, 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 up and up, measuring like crazy, getting it all good. And yeah, so now the next part is to put the airbags in. So you drill holes in the trailing arm to bolt the bags to. And once I get the bags bolted, I got to put a top plate on, which will mirror the other the other style of thing. So you can start to see there, I've got the little bracket with the V to it, the flat plane. And I basically set it, I don't have it yet. Nah, my bad. You'll see it later. So anyway, I'm getting the bag still mounted on this. You saw the plate, there it is. That's the plate I was thinking of. So that plate gets welded in, little gusseted. That should hold it up. Now to put this back on, now that I have a motor, I gotta get this junk out of the way and enter the phone. And I cut a piece of the back body off that I know is gonna hit. So I got that out of the way, got it all cleaned up, and tucked on the phone, and pushed the car out of the way. Now I got the frame ready, get the body in the air. My neighbor came over again, so we get the body in the air, and we put the frame underneath again. So now we lower it back down, and we have a little binding issue in the back. So anything that binds with me, guess what I do with it? I cut it off. So I cut off these little tabs. They used to hold the original bumper, but they're not going to be any good for me, so I'm getting rid of them. And I was cutting them off now, just do. And the reason I had to cut them off is when I lowered the frame into the notches, I couldn't get my engine hoist out from underneath the frame with it on the ground because it hits. And this is how far it sticks through the body. So now that it's down on the body, I try to patch it. Look, I'll put this little thing spaced up like 3/4 of an inch so that it lays out pretty daggum low. And yeah, I basically just kind of put that in place, tack it there, and I hold it there real nicely. Look at me modeling for you. But I just wanted to make sure it all was working. And then you get to see, you get to see how it all looks. I really don't know if I like this left like that or if I'll build a little hump that goes across. I was kind of torn. So for right now, it's just a little square. But this is the most important stuff. Ready? You see that? This puppy is laid out roughly 1 inch, 3/4 inch off the ground at that step. I'm so happy with how it's looking. I think it looks really cool. Definitely a little lowrider. I love how this works. It's super fun to be like, yep, let all the air out. You look cool as can be. I mean, you guys tell me what you think. Did I do good on the air suspension? Do you like the rims? Do you like the beat up van look? I mean, this thing is 8 feet wheelbase. Center of tire to center of tire is 8 feet long. So a sheet of plywood, nope, not quite going to be there. It's going to take the whole car. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of a lot of work sped up super fast. If you liked it, send me a comment, tell me more, and talk to you next time.